For the wiring, I can connect the ENC28 to my MCU STM32 discovery board, like AbouHashem's video. We can make this connection, but note that there is no need reset line, so I remove the reset lines. And reset lines are removed here. It's very important. You only need to connect VCC ground CS to PC4, MOSI to PA5, PA7, collect to PA5, ISO to PA6, and interrupt to PA4. No need to reset lines. In STM Cube MX, I make a project. In RCC, set the crystal ceramic, set the frequency, put 8 HSE, and PL clock 168, and set this frequency. I enable SPI1 full duplex, disabled NSS. Prescaler is 8, which give us a baud rate which is less than 18 megabits per second. The SPI lines are here, and I can choose GPIO output for PG4 and GPIO XTI4 for PA4, and make label for them, ENC CS and ENC interrupt for PA4 and PC4. For PA4, which was interrupt line, we can choose a falling edge and no pull up and no pull down. And for PC4, I can make this setting high output push pull up, and medium for this setting. Then choose 200 and 2000 and 4000 for the heap size and stack size, and use default firmware location. Then according to AbouHashem video, you need to download the Lwip IP and the ENC28J60, and also Lwip IP TCP Server from the Savannah and the other website. Also, you need to download Lwip IP timers.h from GitHub. Then import the project into the Cube IDE and make a project which is named middleware third party ENC28 and Lwip IP, and also app and system. Then you need to exclude the source, exclude this middleware. As you can see, I uncheck the exclude. Then copy the source folder of Lwip IP into the related folder, which is here. This is SRC folder from Lwip, which I copy and paste here. And also I copy the TCP echo server and echo server from the project, and app ethernet and app.h&c here in the app folder. And also I copy and paste the arch in the system, Ethernet FC and H, and also Lwip IP options.h. So I have something like this here. Also, I copy and paste Lwip IP timer.h in the Lwip IP src include Lwip IP. Yeah. Then I need to exclude some unnecessary folders and files. For example, IPv6 in include and IPv6 in core and also SNMP in core. For example, include IPv6 has been excluded. And also in core IPv6 and SNMP. Then I need to add library properties, setting, include path, and I add this path to the project, middleware third-party ENC28, third-party low IP app, low IP system, and low IP SRC include, low IP system, low IP source include, low IP source include, Lwip IP source include. All this folder must be added to the path. Then I can modify and copy and add some codes. For example, in .h. Okay. I can add these lines. However, these are not necessary, but these are necessary. I set an IP address to my device to ENC28, my micro in fact, and define a mask and also define a gateway, but these are not necessary, and also I can even remove them. This is important. Then we can make some modify according to AbouHashem's video. For example, we can remove inline from the micro delays, or I can make change in main.c and also make some changes in this in these files in Ethernet IFC and Ethernet if.h. For example, in Ethernet if.h, I can add this. I can define ENCCS pin as a GPIO pin 4 and ENC interrupt pin as GPIO pin 4 in the Ethernet if.h. Like here, which is CS pin and interrupt. For Ethernet IF.C, I can add these lines according to let me explain here. In the Ethernet IF.C, we can include these files, change HSP icon, make change like this, enable the clock based on the GPU I use, and define the interrupt and also the chip select CS line, and also define the interrupt. We need to change HSPI here exactly like we had ENC28J60 said in his video. That must be changed. Then in C, I need to include the necessary files, define a M.f.AbouHashem variable, define M.f.AbouHashem, and also if you have not made a proper setting here, you can copy and paste an STM32 init and SPI init after you call Lwip init. Lwip init, netifconf, TCP Server init, user notification, and mxGPU init and mxGPU init. Also in the void, call this Ethernet input and Ethernet transmit, and syscheck timeouts. Then you can define netifconf exactly like the code which Hashem said, and call GPU ext callback. Also in the TCP Server, you need to define IP adder type, my IP, and use my port as U16T defined here as address of the ORMCU. Assign a port 18, and then use my IP and my port in the TCP bind.